Hey guys, welcome to this Getting Started with Power Automate tutorial. In this video, we'll quickly sign up, sign in, and together take a look at the options on the Power Automate homepage. Before we begin, a quick note that this video is part of a beginner's course that you can access by clicking the pop-up here in the top right-hand corner. To sign up, first visit the Power Automate homepage. Click the blue Start Free button. Enter your email address. Ideally, you will be trying this out with your work or school email, but if you don't have one, you can sign in with your personal email address. Alternatively, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you can also access it on the Office 365 dashboard. On the dashboard, click the App Launcher icon to show an expanded list of available apps. In our case, we see Power Automate, but if you don't see it, click on the Explore All Your Apps link. I'll go ahead and click on Power Automate, which brings us to the Power Automate homepage. Upon logging, you'll encounter a range of options at your disposal. On the left navigation bar, we have our Home button at the top, which brings us to this page, and then we have Approvals. This is where we manage approvals and business process flows. My Flows. Here you can access your stored flows. Create is where we initiate a new flow. Under Templates, we can explore popular templates, offering inspiration for your own flows. Connectors. This is how we establish connections between various services. Data. Here we have access to tables, connections, custom connectors, gateways, and custom actions, which is currently a preview feature. Under Monitor, we can observe the activity of cloud, desktop, and AI Builder flows. We can see we also have access to the desktop flow runs and machine management. We have the AI Builder, which allows us to construct AI models and view shared or personal models. Process Mining allows you to establish a workflow, link to an event log through data flows, examine a process based on data, access the analytics report online, and conduct advanced analytics within the desktop application. On the Solutions tab, we can manage solutions. Hosting flows in a solution enhances portability, enabling seamless movement across environments, commonly employed by ISVs for developing and transitioning flows between sandbox, test, and production environments. Note that you must have access to the Dataverse to use these. Finally, we have the Learn tab, where you can discover resources to rapidly enhance your proficiency in Power Automate. Now let's turn our attention to the menu represented by the question mark icon located next to your sign-in. This menu offers you the following options. Documentation. Delve into advanced topics for an in-depth understanding of features and functions. Learn. Access learning paths, guiding you through Power Automate usage from basics to advanced scenarios. Support. This serves as a central hub for seeking assistance. Roadmap. Get a sneak peek into upcoming product updates. Community. Engage with fellow users to learn about diverse Power Automate applications. Give feedback. Join a community of proficient users to share comments and queries with developers and experienced users. Blog. Stay updated on the latest developments and releases within the Power Automate ecosystem. Desktop flows. Get acquainted with Power Automate for desktop usage. Pricing. Make informed decisions by exploring suitable plan options for you or your business. Power Automate for desktop. Obtain details on downloading and installing Power Automate for desktop on your machine. And finally, Data Gateway, from which we can gain insights into the on-premises data gateway. Beside that, we have the settings icon. These settings allow you to customize and personalize your Power Automate experience to match your preferences. Let's take a closer look at the options. Power Automate Admin Center. By selecting this option, you'll be directed to the Power Automate Admin Center. You can manage and configure various administrative settings to govern the use of Power Automate within your organization. View all Power Automate settings. This choice leads you to an overview of all the settings related to Power Automate. It's your gateway to fine-tuning the platform according to your requirements. My Licenses. With this option, you can access information about your Power Automate licenses, get insights into your subscription details, and make sure you have the right resources for your automation needs. Themes. The Themes option allows you to change the visual appearance of Power Automate. You can choose from a variety of themes to personalize the interface based on your taste and mood. Password. Select this option to change your Power Automate password. Ensure your account's security by updating your password regularly. Contact preferences. With this choice, you can update your contact preferences. Make sure you receive the notifications and communications that matter to you. Moving to the left, we can see what environment we are in. An environment functions as a repository to house, oversee, and distribute your company's business data, applications, and workflows. Furthermore, it acts as a compartment to segregate applications that may possess distinct roles, security prerequisites, or intended user groups. The utilization of environments is contingent upon your organization's needs and the nature of the applications you develop. In the bottom left, we have our chatbot for more help. With this chatbot, we have access to instant assistance within the product through documentation and the Power Virtual Agent bot aimed at resolving frequently encountered workflow scenarios. As you construct your workflows, you have the ability to tap into resources from documentation, the community, blogs, and templates. Now, get ready to unlock the full potential of Power Automate. By signing up, you've opened the door to a world where tasks become effortless and workflows run like clockwork. Whether it's managing approvals, checking out cool templates, or diving into a helpful community, you're armed with the tools to turbocharge your work. So let's jump right in and start your automation adventure. Your tasks are about to get a serious upgrade. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome tips and tricks.